and gentlemen, the following bout is presented by Joshua White Tattoo Company, and it is a ladies wrestling contest scheduled for one fall. Your first competitor, standing in boots that'll kick your backside and weighing in at none of your beeswax. Dirt and grime don't bother her a dime. She's got as much strength as any bum in this place. Heidi the Riveter! And now introducing her opponent. She's the finest clapper in Philadelphia. She'll flaunt those fast feet and never skip a beat. The darndest thing on the dance floor, Kickin Kimber Lee.
Controversial match on the card tonight. We have a ladies match. Heidi the Riveter going against Kickin Kimber Lee. Certainly a clash of styles here. Heidi rough around the edges. Kind of a negative disposition versus Kickin Kimber Lee, a free-spirited dancing clapper. Doesn't mind a little sip of bathtub gin. She should really hook up with the Prohibition gentleman later today. More interested in cutting a rug than cutting up her opponent, whereas Heidi the Riveter hiding on the outside of the ring, not having any of this shenanigans. Point out from my notes here, came in the background and danced with all the fancy dance moves. You know, the Lindy Hop, the Foxtrot, the Black Bottom, and the Charleston. Here's we saw a little bit of the Charleston there. Lovely feather boa being sported by Kimber Lee there. Throws it to the ground, and she's had enough of that. She's going to give it to Heidi the Riveter, runs around the ring. Very reminiscent of the chase currently going on between J.Q. Jackson and E.T. Scoop. Well, looks like Heidi the Riveter calling an end to that. Well, perhaps a little gassed out. Could be from inhaling all of that industrial smoke. Oh, Kimber Lee gives her a shot to the midsection, rolls her into the ring. Collar elbow tie-up between both women. Kimber Lee grabs the headlock, takes her over. Holds on. Really working over the cranium of Heidi the Riveter there. Reaches up, gets her in a head scissor. Now appears to be whipping her with that bandana that she wears to the ring. She can do it. Kimber Lee, able to flail kick her way out of that head scissor. Answers with a little cha-cha there. Kind of a bawdy chant coming from the ringsiders here in Akron, Ohio. In Norwalk, Ohio. Flew into Akron earlier. Boy, my arms were tired. Little combat circle around. Collar elbow tie up. Heidi the Riveter takes to be accentuating her every movement as she reverses that hold. Oh, now hooks her in a little do-si-do. Arm drag onto the Riveter. Second arm drag onto the Riveter. Gets up with a little pizzazz. Boy, this chick sure is jazz. Oh, and now giving her the old soft shoe in the corner there. Dun, 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 dun. Heidi the Riveter taking all of those. Kimberly, very congratulatory bow for the gentleman in attendance here. Heidi the Riveter apparently telling her to stop the dances, but now, as the band strikes up, Kimberly puts on an impromptu demonstration there. The woman sure can trip the light fantastic, but now she appears to be opening the floor for Heidi the Riveter. Let's see what kind of rhythm she brings here. Kind of a knocking shuffle there. Well, she certainly gave it her all. That Kimberly coming back in. Ha ha ha. Boy, you can certainly see her in the speakeasies, which officially don't exist here in Norwalk. And Heidi the Riveter coming in with a very valiant effort, let's say. See, if we had an aerial camera, you can see the pattern. Heidi the Riveter decides she's had enough of that. Unfortunately, that would probably happen if she danced. Probably that too. Headbutt to the cranium. Heidi certainly has changed the character of this match. Fires that work boot to the midsection of the flapper. Poor Kimber Lee, in order to fit into that dress, is already wearing such compressive undergarments that the extra impact of that boot can't help at all. Oh, calling to the ringsiders, can't hear their support. Riveter, caught in a reverse roll-up that you see often in a girls' school. Engaging in some bullying on the playground. Oh, now stepping on the back of her neck as she's compressed against the twine. Oh, Heidi the Riveter, a little rough around the edges, but she certainly gets the job done. Now we've got to see what kind of sterner stuff Kimber Lee is made out of. She keeps an impact there. Heidi jawing with the ringsiders. Working over Kimber Lee in the corner. Grabs her in a snapmare. Now grabs her, locks her chin in. Oh, the referee going in there. Oh, but Kimber Lee has gotten a second wind, appearing to dance her way out of it. Breaks out, gives her a shot to the midsection, eats a headbutt that drops her to one knee. Now the Riveter stalking around the ring, back in control. Head to the buckle, very unladylike maneuver there from Heidi the Riveter. She doesn't care, she's here to get a job done, and yes, she can do it. Oh, comes running in, Kimber Lee misses the corner, nobody home. Heidi in for a second one. Kimber Lee in the middle of the ring. Kicks her, gives her a second kick to the midsection, does a little cha-cha. Oh, answers with a series of kicks to the midsection. Kimber Lee very well-timed and on point with all of those maneuvers. Must be her spear dancing background. Oh, big flail kick to the side of the head, comes down for two. Heidi the Riveter out at two. Boy, she's got to create some distance there. She took a huge blow. But no, Kimber Lee able to cut her off at the pass, picking her up. Oh, Heidi comes in, snaps her, I believe snaps the straps of her shirt there, her dress, excuse me. Crotch and Nelson left into a slam, going down for a cover. This could be it, too. Kimber Lee kicks out at two. Oh, her bloomers are showing. How embarrassing for her. Heidi the Riveter, unconcerned about the modesty of Kimber Lee. Riveter top rope. Like she has it set up, but no. Oh, Kimber Lee, again, with a quick kick. Pulls her off the top, hits the back of her head. Heidi the Riveter in the middle of the ring, 2. Out at 2. Kimber Lee thinking Heidi the Riveter was gone, but Heidi was made of sterner stuff. Oh, wasn't quite as rhythmic with those stomps, and she was getting a little frustrated. Does a strut across the ring, throws in a forearm. Reversal, Kimber Lee up and over with the slam. Heidi hits her with an elbow. What a stunning maneuver that was. Heidi celebrating before the deed is done. She could have taken a lesson from the coach earlier. Now coming in to, oh, shoulder roll right at what would have been the 3 count. Heidi the Riveter not very happy with that. She's going to have to tack another one in there. Stomping around the ring, trying to recalibrate herself. Looks like she's possibly grabbing that wrench she brought to ringside. I'm not sure that's going to be allowed as the referee over and done says that maneuver is over and done. Now arguing with Heidi the Riveter. Oh, caught with the knees to the